all morning. And I'm pretty sure it's not gonna open up. Open and you get to ride. Good morning! We made it out to Hollywood Studios and we did not do early entry this morning. My alarm clock went off at 6 a.m. Actually, it started at 5:45. Snoozed it. 6 a.m. I was like, man, we have lightning lanes. Like, I'm not trying to do all that. And so the boys slept until like 7:30. And so we all needed that. Like, my body literally felt like I got hit by a ton of bricks, but no early entry. We have lightning lanes. I'm not worried about it. Yes, Jude. Good morning. We're gonna go when we go to EPCOT. So we have this morning Toy Story Mania first, Alien Swirling Saucers next, and then Slinky Dog Dash, and then we'll take the Skyliner over to EPCOT for some fun over at EPCOT. And yeah, if you're excited for our Hollywood Studios and EPCOT day, be sure to stick around, watch, like, share, comment, subscribe. Would love if you join the crew, and we'll see you at Hollywood Studios. Not yet. So I need you to get in here. Let's get in here. Go to the left. Yep. So you're gonna hold the Mickey to the yellow little thing over here. Hold it up to the circle, right here. Good job, big boy.
In your wait time to open the loading process, we ask that you keep up with the party in front of you and fill in all available space. We appreciate your patience and understanding.
We'll sing a song, and absolutely nothing will go wrong. Now you're going my way. Everything is just so peachy.
Oh, hiya, folks. Hey, making me a
we're in Star Wars Galaxy's Edge. This morning we had Toy Story Mania, then we were supposed to do Slinky Dog Dash, but it has been closed all morning, and I'm pretty sure it's not gonna open up because I just got like a ride redemption experience thing in my app. So TBD on Slinky. So then Mickey and Minnie was also closed for a while, and I had a lightning. I was able to switch. I was able to like book that after Toy Story Mania, but it ended up opening. So we rode Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, and then got a Mickey pretzel, and now we're over at Millennium Falcon's Smugglers Run, so Jude can ride that for the first time. And then if Slinky's not open, we're gonna head out back to the resort. It's hot, it's warm, it's 11:15 right now, so it's getting like peak middle of the day, like kind of heat. So I'm thinking after this, you know, if I check the app and Slinky's still not up, we might just call it for a day. Unfortunately, it would have been really fun. Jude would have loved Slinky. I don't know. I'm even considering later when we come back to the park, stopping here first and then taking the Skyliner to EPCOT if the ride is open. I don't know. We'll see. Hopefully it does. Hopefully it does before we even leave here. It's just not looking good, but we'll see. Right now, me and Isaac. Hey, Stink! I might go take him, so over here they have a little bit of open space, and I might just go take him to go run around over there. You wanna go get some more oranges? Come see. Let's go get some oranges. Isaac! What? That's yuck. Alright, look, we're gonna tap.
They're not allowed to do it.
Tap your band. Look, can you put Mickey up here? Okay, thank you. Are you excited? What are we going to ride?
Across the galaxy, pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, gunners to defend the shipments, and that is where you come in.
With my hand, Mom.
Ooh, engineers.
I'm going to flip.
Let me get my pilots here in the front, side by side. Gunners in the middle, engineers in the back.
That's our assignment.
This crew here, come on over. Pilots here in the front.
Good luck to you all. You might need the train. Pilots to the center.
Press it again.
Shoot
Press
the
it.
train. Yes, keep flashing those controls. But we made it! Now, let's
We just got off of Millennium Falcon Smugglers run, and they're testing Slinky Dog. Like, it's running. No one's on it yet. They're testing it. So I think that's a good sign. We're going by Jude. Jude's been asking for a little car from the Toy Story area, so we're going to get that. And then maybe, fingers crossed, we have some good news soon. We'll see. I don't know. They're running it. They literally just had one running right now, so fingers crossed.
Now, for your safety, remember to stay seated with all your parts and pieces. Here we go.
Did you have fun?
Some other folks might be a little bit smaller than I am.
We're back at All-Star Sports for a midday break because it is hot. The big feelings are here. Oh my goodness. But literally right as we were leaving Hollywood Studios, like I was going back to go and get a car that Jude wanted, and I saw Slinky Dog like testing, and as we were like checking out for the car, it like popped up with like a wait time, and so it opened and Jude got to ride. Now, Toy Story area is so hot. There's literally no shade. So we did have like kind of like a 15-minute wait in the lightning lane line for Slinky Dog, and we were me and Jude were like dripping sweat. And so by the time that we can touch the shark fin, so by the time that we got off the ride and he was gonna ride with by the time he was gonna ride with Nick, he was like, I want to go to the hotel, and I was like, buddy, I don't blame you. Ah, you touched a shark fin! Ah! So Nick didn't get to ride it, but honestly Nick was cool with it too because he's getting a little hangry and hungry. So we're back at All-Star Sports. It's like 1 o'clock right now. So we're gonna eat, chill, and then later tonight we'll head out. And then later tonight is when we're gonna head out to EPCOT, probably for a late night. I plan to get a really good nap in right now and really like not go back out to the parks until it's like a lot cooler because it is very hot, very hot, and we all need naps. So on the way to Rome, Nick is getting the food for me and him, and the boys are gonna go down for a nap, maybe snack on some stuff that we have in there. And yeah, very hot day. It's been a good day, but it's just been very hot. So I'm looking forward to a rest. Oh, and verdict on Slinky Dog, Jude loved it. He had so much fun. It was hot and he was kind of, you know, upset before, but like he loved it. I get it filmed on my phone because for some reason DJI does not like when you film on your camera. Like they don't have like a lock mode. So like DJI, can we get that like fixed or something, please? That would be great. But yeah, he loved it, so. Back from our naps, we're out at EPCOT now. We have lightning lanes for Guardians, which I don't know if we're gonna ride. We'll see. We have a Guardians lightning lane, single pass lightning lane, and then we have Figment, Finding Nemo, and a Frozen Ever After. I'm trying to get Remy, but nothing has popped up, so I'll keep an eye on it still, but I'm not gonna like be in the app, you know, trying to finesse it or anything. But yeah, we're in EPCOT, about to go through security, so let's see what we can get into. Okay, we have Figment lightning lanes, but Jude is requesting to go on Spaceship Earth, and it's a 5-minute wait. So, pro tip, in the morning, Spaceship Earth is always pretty busy because people coming in from the bus just like automatically see a ride. But later in the evening, like right now, like it's 5, it's usually pretty low crowds. Like it's a 5-minute wait, so just keep that in mind. Just go through the standby.
Welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from. Input your side travel.
Jude, press this right here. Oh, close enough.
Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? Made just for you.
Alright.
Ready?
Do you like home, work, health, or fun? Fun. Okay. What sounds like more fun? Going under the sea or in outer space? Which one? Outer space?
Yeah, I was.
Do you like to think about things, or do you like to just go with it?
I like to just go.
Do you like traveling more, or do you rather be at the place?
I like to be at
Do you want to live in the city one day, or do you want to live in the country where there's like just trees and mountains and things like that?
I'll live in the city.
What do you worry about more, your pet or your house? House.
Do you want to travel by solar power, by wind power, or by sun power?
By the sun power.
Sun?
Well done. Now, along with your answers, let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about.
To the future. Or should I say, your future. Anyway, since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things off.
Very special. That's fantastic, second. Yeah, I got that right. Yes, whew. The arm hurt. Monkey bars. Since Vegas. Go ahead, bro.
And you can tell them here at Goofy Card.
What's that?
We need to tell you.
Me?
2.
1.
And back me up, Goof Crew.
Okay.
Oh!
We're doing it. We're doing it.
Lever. And give her a roll. Everybody. And 3. Good job, bro. Everybody's
Throw it in the air. Yeah, good job. 4, 3, 2. The best ride out here.
From our world to yours.
Well, okay, I've locked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed.
Drax!
Good luck. Of the Galaxy.
We have no room in our ship for these new guards.
Drax, it's an honorary title. They're not coming with us.
I see.
Guardians of the Galaxy, done. I got Disco Inferno. It's not my favorite song, but the ride is still fantastic. And I also didn't request for row 9 this ride, just because I'm kind of in a hurry to get back to Nick and the boys. They went on Figment, and they already finished, so they're playing in like the little imagination, the What If lab, which is like the little playground area that they have outside of Figment when you exit. So I'm curious, I didn't ask him what song he got when he wrote it, so I'll have to ask him. But I got Disco Inferno. It was a fantastic ride, much fun. And I think now we have a Nemo lightning lane. And then after Nemo, I believe it's Frozen. So hopefully something for Remy will pop up. But right now we have Frozen, Nemo, and then we'll see what else we can knock off. Maybe Moana? I don't know. We'll see. But Guardians of the Galaxy is so good. You have to ride it. If you love roller coasters, and if you're tall enough, and if your kid loves roller coasters, like, it's 100% worth the single lightning lane pass for it. It's definitely worth it. Absolutely. Slowly. Yes, it is. We're gonna walk to
We sing and we suffer, we shout. That means I cannot. Who is? I don't know. Caballeros, drinking caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather.
And we go on another boat ride. We didn't scan this one yet. There's nothing in there. Say bye, Olaf.
So intense, put them together, it just makes sense. Winter's a good time to stay in.
Nothing better than a beer in Germany. So we went and rode Frozen, and I'm pretty sure we were like the last boat before it actually like officially broke down. Because I'll put a video of it, but like Elsa, whenever we're going to like her ice palace and she's supposed to sing like "Let It Go," and she does like all these little arm movements, she literally was stuck like this. And like her face was going so slow, it was like "Let it go." So it looked really goofy. And I'm pretty sure the ride broke down after that, because like when we got off, it was like we were experiencing technical difficulties or something like that. So did Frozen, and now we're just walking around. Nick wants to get a sake. I wanted a beer, and then
maybe it's not running right now.
I think the train might be not. Oh, look at the lizards on here. There's a monster in the village. Look at these monsters. There's monsters in the German pavilion. But yeah, we wanted to see the train, but I guess they're not running right now. There's also no festival going on at Epcot right now, so it's so bare. Like there's nothing, there's no like booths. It's not super packed. It's just Epcot on a diet, so it's very interesting. What was your favorite part about today?
Coming to the hotel.
Coming to the hotel, not the parks?
Yeah.
Not Slinky Dog?
I did.
What was your what was the part that you liked the best about today?
The Slinky Dog.
Slinky Dog, that was fun, huh? You're such a big boy.
Yeah.
Babe, what was your favorite part about today?
Plum sake.
What was that, Poppy?
Violet sake.
Sake?
Is it plum sake or is it violet sake? I don't know.
Plum wine.
We're back in the room. It was a long day of Hollywood Studios and Epcot, but we had fun. And now we have an early Mirrors Connect shuttle at 5:30 in the morning tomorrow. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Isaac's favorite things today was coming along for the ride. Don't think I forgot him. He's over here living his best life with the glow stick that I brought.
Oh my goodness.
So we're eating dinner, getting stuff packed, and then it's off to bed, and that was it for our very short, budget-friendly Disney trip. And I hope you enjoyed. Our next trip is going to be something we're really looking forward to. Well, I'm really looking forward to. It's going to be a first, so stick around.
I don't want
if you
any more food.
So stick around. If you like this video, be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I would love to have you as part of the crew. So until next time, I'll see you guys later. Good night.